All right, so we just got these, and let's unbox them. Apparently we grab this and pull it, and that should release the top. And then, if you look, there is a, like this whole thing falls apart, by the way, once you do that. And it comes right to the case here. You know, so you got a case. But it does have this box right here, which I'm not sure what's in here. Probably some stuff that we need. Let's see if I can get it out. Oh, there we go. Okay. Well, it's trying to come out. Maybe not. Let's pull from this side. Oh my God, this, could they make it harder? Oh, there we go. All right, so it comes with that so you can clean them. And then this side here. Okay, I got it. All right. It's a get started. Get started. It tells you what to do. All that information. Let's save that. And then there's, I don't know what this is. You just, oh, here, look. All right, so you don't have to read that. All right, I think that we may have gotten everything out of here. All right, I think that's it. That's the box. Let's save the box just in case. You know what I mean, jelly beans? We don't want to lose it. All right, so we got this box all sealed up. We'll put that over here just in case. Let's take a look and see what we got here. Here they are. Here's your AI Meta. Oh, look, this thing lit up. There must be some place that, oh, this is where you charge it. So you need a USB-C to charge. You just shove it right in there like that. And now this thing's charging. You follow me? But let's go ahead and pull these out and see what they look like. Ta-ding! Oh, here they are. Look at this. All right, they're not sunglasses. They're definitely not sunglasses. So, yeah. Oh my God. All right, so, wow, I can see really good with these. That is amazing. Wow. It's like it has my prescription. I'm pretty amazed. That was pretty good, I think. Yeah. All right. So anyway, these definitely, work. Now they have like two little camera things on them. And on this side, you've got your little doohickey that you got to smush over. And yeah, these are pretty good. What do you guys think? I look good in these? So anyway, this piece right here was smushed over these little contacts. So when it's in transit, that kind of protects it. So now I can go ahead and just put them in here and we can fold these over, and then we put them in there. And if you look right here, that's the contact on them. So this is going to go right down on there. Let me show you. So this right here, these contacts are going to go right into that little contact right there. So I'm just going to push them in there like that, right? Then we'll flip them over, and there's a little, like, I don't know, lighter. This pops on it. Here, let me show you. So when you bring it over, you're going to put that right there. It's like magnetic. And then we just got to let them charge up. I think when this turns green, it'll be charged, and then we can do the other stuff. But anyway, that's the unboxing.